Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by importing the audio into Ibispaint X and syncing a visual waveform or reference marker. You need the exact line of dialogue ready, because lip sync in Ibispaint relies on manual timing. Once done, scrub the track and mark strong syllables and breaths. Make a simple phoneme map like a /e/i/o/u and closed mouth sounds. Make layers for mouth shapes so you can swap them without redrawing whole frames. This upfront organization saves countless edits later. You now create the actual mouth shapes and place them on sequential frames. Draw clear, distinct key poses, closed, wide, rounded, and keep scale identical to avoid a jarring cut. Once drawn, duplicate the character layer across frames and edit only the mouth layer so the rest stays stable. Use onion skin set to 3 to 5 frames to judge motion flow, and nudge frames so each phoneme covers roughly 3 to 5 frames depending on tempo. This produces believable lip motion. You finish by playing the animation with the original audio and listening closely for mismatches. Make fine adjustments. Shorten frames for quick consonants, extend frames for held vowels, and add subtle head or jaw movement to sell the illusion. Once satisfied, flatten only necessary layers and export with audio embedded if your export supports it, or export frames and combine in an editor. If lip sync drifts, re-import the audio, realign your markers, and check frame rate consistency between files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.